How to change language on TikTok. Hello and welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can change your language in your TikTok account. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Head over to your TikTok app and make sure that you are logged into your TikTok account. In order to change your language, tap on 3-bar icon on your top right and go to Settings and Privacy. Under Content and Display, you will see an option that says Language. Tap onto it. Here tap on App Language and choose any language that you would like to add. Once done, tap onto Done. As you do so, all your TikTok language will be changed to that selected language. In order to change it back, repeat the same process. Tap on the 3-bar icon, tap on Settings and Privacy, then under Content and Display, tap on Language, tap on App Language. Here change it back to US. Once done, tap on Done. And this is how you can do it. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.